Most smart air fryers look impressive until you actually try to use the smart features. And that's where most people realize they paid for things they don't need. Let's get into it. Starting with number 5. Let's kick things off with the Instant Vortex Plus 6-Quart Smart. And honestly, this is where things start to get interesting in the smart air fryer game. For the price, you're getting solid cooking performance. But let's be real about what smart means here. The app connectivity works when it wants to. Sometimes it connects instantly. Other times you're sitting there waiting like an idiot while your chicken gets cold. The 6-quart capacity is decent for a small family, and the actual air frying performance is pretty good. Crispy fries, juicy chicken, all that good stuff you'd expect. Where it shines, the price point is friendly, the cooking results are consistent, and when the app actually works, the preset programs are genuinely helpful. The Even Crisp technology does deliver on getting food crispy without excessive oil. Where it falls short, the app is buggy as hell. Seriously, half the time you're better off just using the manual controls. The basket coating starts wearing off faster than it should, and the touchscreen can be unresponsive when your hands are even slightly wet or greasy. Who's it for? Budget-conscious families who want to dip their toes into smart air frying without spending a fortune, and don't mind occasionally just using it like a regular air fryer when the tech fails. Bottom line, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-Quart Smart gets the job done for basic air frying, but the smart features feel more like a beta test than a finished product. If you can grab it on sale and treat the app as a bonus rather than the main feature, it's worth considering. Sliding into number 4 is the Philips 3000 series DoubleStack. And look, Philips basically invented the air fryer, so they know what they're doing. The DoubleStack setup is legitimately useful, letting you cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously. The build quality is where Philips separates itself from the cheap stuff. This thing feels solid, the baskets glide smoothly, and nothing feels like it's going to break after 3 uses. The smart features are more refined than the Instant, with an app that actually connects reliably and provides useful cooking guidance. Where it shines, rock-solid construction, excellent temperature accuracy, and the dual baskets actually sync up properly so everything finishes at the same time. The presets are well calibrated, and the app interface is clean and functional. Where it falls short, it's pricey for what you get. And honestly, the capacity of each basket is smaller than you'd think. The app, while functional, doesn't really add much value over just using the controls on the unit itself. Also, it's huge. This thing will dominate your counter space. Who's it for? Families who regularly cook multiple items and have the counter space and budget for a premium appliance that'll last years rather than months. Bottom line, the Philips 3000 series DoubleStack is a quality air fryer with dual basket convenience, but you're paying a premium for the name and build quality. The smart features work, but they're not revolutionary enough to justify the price jump alone. At number 3, we've got the Cosori Dual Blaze Smart Air Fryer. And this is where we start seeing smart features that actually make sense. The dual heating elements, top and bottom, deliver more even cooking than single-element fryers, and it genuinely shows in the results. The app integration here is actually useful. Recipe syncing works smoothly, the cooking notifications are timely, and you can monitor your food remotely without the app crashing every 5 minutes. The 6.8-quart capacity is generous, and the square basket design maximizes usable space better than round baskets. Where it shines, excellent cooking evenness, genuinely helpful app with reliable connectivity, and the shake reminders actually prevent you from ending up with unevenly cooked food. The preheat function is fast, and cleanup is relatively painless with the non-stick coating that actually holds up. Where it falls short, the touch controls are overly sensitive. You'll accidentally change settings when wiping the panel. The fan is noticeably louder than competitors, which gets annoying during longer cooking sessions. And while the app is good, some features require creating an account, which is unnecessary data harvesting. Who's it for? Tech-savvy cooks who want smart features that actually enhance the cooking experience rather than just existing as a gimmick, and don't mind a bit of extra noise. Bottom line, the Cosori Dual Blaze Smart Air Fryer delivers on both the smart and air fryer promises, with even cooking and useful app features that justify the price. Just be prepared for some noise and touchy controls. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. More honest reviews coming your way. All the links are in the description. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninja DoubleStack XL Smart Air Fryer. And this is where Ninja's engineering really shines. Instead of side-by-side baskets, they stacked them vertically, which is genius if you're tight on counter space, but need serious capacity. The smart features are well implemented. the app connects reliably, the remote monitoring works consistently, and the cooking programs are actually well calibrated rather than guesswork. Each drawer operates independently, so you can cook chicken in one and fries in the other without any flavor transfer. Where it shines, massive capacity and a surprisingly compact footprint, excellent cooking performance across different food types, and smart features that genuinely add convenience. The vertical stacking means you're not sacrificing 3 feet of counter space for dual-zone cooking. Where it falls short, the bottom drawer can be awkward to access when both drawers are loaded, and you'll definitely need to bend down. The unit runs hot on the exterior. Not dangerously so, but you'll want to keep it away from anything heat-sensitive. The price is steep, and the baskets are dishwasher-safe but massive and awkward to fit. Who's it for? Serious home cooks with limited counter space who need dual-zone cooking capability and don't mind paying premium prices for clever engineering and reliable smart features. Bottom line, the Ninja DoubleStack XL Smart Air Fryer solves the counter space problem elegantly and delivers excellent cooking results with smart features that actually work. Just be prepared for the price tag and the lower drawer gymnastics. And finally, my #1 pick, Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Smart Air Fryer. Topping the list is the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Smart Air Fryer. And this is the one that actually got me excited about air fryers again. The FlexBasket system lets you use it as one large basket or divide it into 2 zones, giving you the flexibility that other dual basket systems lack. The smart features are top tier. The app is responsive, the probe thermometer integration works flawlessly, and the cooking programs are dialed in with precision. You can actually monitor internal food temperature remotely, which is a game changer for proteins. Where it shines, unmatched versatility with the FlexBasket system, genuinely useful smart features including probe monitoring, excellent cooking performance with even crisping, and build quality that feels like it'll last. The large single basket mode handles whole chickens in big batches without compromise. Where it falls short, it's expensive as hell. This is not a budget option. The basket divider, while clever, is another piece to clean and store. The app requires account creation and wants more permissions than necessary. Also, it's heavy and bulky, so if you have limited upper cabinet storage or weak wrists, moving it around sucks. Who's it for? Serious home cooks who want the absolute best air fryer experience with smart features that genuinely enhance cooking and have the budget for premium kitchen equipment. Bottom line, the Ninja Foodi FlexBasket Smart Air Fryer is the total package. It delivers on both performance and smart features without compromise. If you can justify the price, this is the one to get. Most people will overpay for features they never use. Now you won't. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and drop your favorite in the comments. All the links are in the description. I'll catch you in the next one.